Hey everybody, David, and Mitch Rogenbuck from the YouTube channel Itchy Mitchy. We'll link to his channel in the description section below. In this video, we want to talk about TikTok. What is it? How do you use it if you're a beginner? So, what is TikTok?
So basically, TikTok is a social media platform that you can use to make short videos and share them with your friends.
Yeah, it's kind of like Vine, if you're old enough to remember Vine before they went out of business.
Yeah. Was it Vine 7 seconds? Now TikTok is
TikTok is, I think it's
15 or
60? 60, I think 60 is the max.
Yeah.
So first thing we need to do to use TikTok is install the app. So let's open up the App Store, tap on the search icon, we're already there, and then type in TikTok, T-I-K-T-O-K. Get, tap it. Here we go, enter your Apple ID password. All right, so the app is installed. Let's go ahead and tap open.
First thing you'll see on the screen when you open the app is that TikTok would like to send you notifications. Maybe somebody that you like is uploading videos. If you want those, tap allow. If not, tap don't allow.
Let's allow that.
Whoa.
There we go. Yeah, it says swipe up to watch. Let's give it a go. See what happens. Here we go. The first thing we're going to do is create an account. How do we create a TikTok account?
So to create an account, you're going to tap on the me icon on the bottom right. And here it's going to say sign up.
Right.
So we're going to tap sign up. And from here, you can sign up multiple ways. You can use your phone or your email. You can continue with Facebook, Google, or Instagram. Which would you like to do?
Let's use our email.
Okay, we'll sign up with our email. So when is your birthday?
November 1st, 1994.
Some riveting content here. Enter your phone number or your email. Let's use email. Tap on the email there.
Email.
Yep, there we go. Tap next. I've never seen that sort of captcha before. It's interesting.
I like it.
Yeah, there we go. Nice and easy. Choose a password. All right.
We're in.
So we set up our profile. We're going to get into the nuts and bolts of how this app works. So what do we got here? We got some buttons on the screen. What do those do?
So this little heart on the side here, that is how you like the videos.
Okay.
So you can hit like on there.
There you go.
Sweet.
Makes the heart red.
Yeah, and you can also comment with the little text button there. You can hit that and comment on the videos,
Wow.
which is cool. You can add a comment. And you can share it with your friends if you hit the share button.
That makes sense.
So let's tap the share button. See how can we share this video. So you can share Messages app, Snapchat, copy a direct link, all sorts of good stuff there.
So what if I wanted to add this person? I like her.
So to add this person, you'd see that little picture of her up in on the right-hand side, and you would tap that, and you would tap follow.
Okay, cool. And then I can see all of her
Yes.
TikToks.
Yes.
Is it called a TikTok?
short videos?
Right. So let's go back to that previous screen. Now, how do I look through all the different videos?
So to look through the videos, it's like Snapchat. It's all swipes and taps.
All right. Yeah. And if you want to learn how to use Snapchat too, check out our other video. Link in the description section below and a card up above.
Yep. Well, I've seen her stand up a bunch of times. Let's go to a new video. How do we do that?
So to do that, you'll just swipe up. And
we go.
you're at a new video.
New video. I don't like that one either. Get rid of it. Look at that.
Swipe up.
And then if maybe you said, oh, I like that video and I skipped over by accident, you can just swipe back down.
Swipe back down.
There we are.
And there you are.
Playing peekaboo again.
It's actually kind of a funny video. What's the deal down here with the song?
So to see what song they're using, you hit on the little record in the bottom right corner. And this will show you what sound they're using. And from here, you can add it to your favorites so you can use it in your own videos.
I can use that sound.
Yeah.
Wow.
And that's an original sound by her.
So what if I tap this use this sound button here? What's that going to do?
So if you hit use this sound, it'll let you use the sound and shoot a video.
Okay.
Well, here we're actually kind of at an important part of this app. If you want to record your own videos on TikTok, you do need to give the app access to your camera. So let's go ahead and tap allow access to camera and then tap OK. Because if you can't use the camera, you can't record videos.
Yep. And similarly with the microphone.
Yep.
Let's go and tap microphone there.
Microphone.
Okay. There we go. All set. And now there's the nice table.
Yes. So now we're at the point to take a video. So here you can slide from left to right on the bottom. And right now it's sound 15 seconds, but you can slide it over to 60 seconds. And with the sound that we're using, it says with that little blue pop-up that you can only use up to 43 seconds because that's how long her sound is.
Okay.
And from here, you can also upload videos from your camera roll.
Okay.
By hitting upload.
All right.
And
so we're going to give it access. So tap OK.
Yep. And here you can...
We got our nice overhead cam shot here.
Yeah, from our previous video.
Yep.
That's good stuff.
But you can access that and post that.
Okay.
Very cool.
And you can add effects to your TikTok.
Let's tap that.
here there is different effects that you can download. And there's trending ones, new ones, interactive ones.
Interesting.
Yes, you could slide from left to right.
So what if I wanted to use the selfie cam instead of the back camera?
So to do that, you'd hit flip up in the top right corner, and it would flip around.
There you go. There you are.
Mode.
Very
Sweet.
cool.
Yeah,
All right, let's flip it back around.
flip it.
And what are the other options here on the right? So we've got speed.
So what speed is for different sounds, you might want to take longer to record the video so it syncs better with the song that you're using.
Okay.
So you would hit speed, and you can change it to 3 times as fast or 0.3 times as fast. So it will slow down or speed up.
Gotcha. And then we've got beauty filter.
Yes, the beauty filter, if you click on that, it removes the dark circles from around the bottom of your eyes,
Very cool.
which is pretty cool.
These
That
are
is
like
cool.
nice airbrush there.
I like it.
You can pick filters over here.
Okay.
Tap on filters. You can scroll through and see the portrait filters, the landscape filters, food filters, and vibe filters.
Yeah. Can you scroll in that top list too and see other filters?
Yes.
Go to TikTok, the meal you're about to eat.
You can go
It's a good filter for
What's
it.
management?
management. You tap on management.
And then you can see all the different filters.
Yes, and you can choose which ones that you use the most and want to pop up in the app.
Sweet. All right, so let's get out of this view.
So go back to that.
And then we can do trim after we record the video, which I
Yes.
assume is going to allow us to crop it. So let's hit the record button and see what happens.
You have to keep pressing and holding for your TikTok to actually record?
You can press and hold, and then you can pause the video, or you can tap it once, and there will be a red square.
Neat.
Right,
And
so it's
that
up to
means
you.
that it's just recording.
And then you would tap it again.
Tap it again.
Beautiful.
Turn off.
Cool.
Good stuff.
So from here, you can hit the check, and you can see the sounds, the effects, text.
So if I wanted to add text to this, like test video maybe, just in case somebody saw this and said, what the is going on?
Yeah, so you'll hit text, test video. You can choose the font, you can choose the color,
Sweet.
then you hit done. And you can double tap to edit the text.
That makes sense.
So you can double tap it, and you can stretch it out to change the size of it.
Sweet.
Very cool. So
Rotate
let's tap next. What's up next?
Next. Here you can put a description on your video.
Okay.
So we can describe it as.
So what if we want to add a hashtag?
So to add a hashtag, all you will do is you hit hashtags.
Right.
And here you can type in a hashtag.
Right. Beat the zombie funk, probably not good for this video. Maybe hashtag test.
Test. Then you'll hit space, and there's your hashtag.
Nice.
Cool. And there's some auto suggest ones too. So
Yes.
apparently we're not the only
Yeah,
one.
31.9 million views for the
Yeah.
hashtag test. That's pretty good. Maybe that should be our main hashtag.
So we can also allow comments, make sense, save to album. And then what is Duet and React?
Duet and React, other TikTokies, they can use your video and put their videos side by side of yours and pretty much do like a duet, like singing.
Right.
And they can also react to your videos, which is
Sweet.
cool.
So you might not want people to be able to do that.
Probably not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unless you're, really outgoing.
Yeah.
If we like this video, we can go ahead and tap post and it would be up. Let's tap it. Why
Or
not?
we can save it to drafts, or we can message it to people.
Let's post it. Let's see what happens.
All right.
Post now.
There we go. We have posted our first TikTok.
Yes.
All
we
right.
did.
So now if I wanted to see all of my TikToks, where would I go?
So to see all of your TikToks, you would tap on me.
Yeah. Actually, if you go back to the home screen, it looks like it was still going there.
It was
Yeah.
still loading on the home screen.
It takes a second because it is a video file.
Yes. And there's our video.
Uploaded. You can now share to Snapchat, email, messages, all sorts of stuff. So if you tap on the Me tab now, our TikTok will show up there. There it is.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Very neat. So what is the Discover tab?
So the Discover tab you can use to search other TikTokers. We'll click on that. And here you could see trending hashtags, and you can look up other people's accounts and so on.
So you can just scroll through here and take a look at whatever you're looking for.
Yeah, so what if I liked the Such a Scientist hashtag? If I wanted to see more of those videos, if I just tapped on that, would I get a whole bunch of...
Yeah, we'll get a whole bunch of those, and you can add it to your favorites.
Wow.
Nice.
Neat.
Such a scientist.
Well, let's add it to favorites, and then once we add this to our favorites, where do our favorites show up?
So your favorites will show up back in the Me tab. So you'd click out of this, you'd tap on Me, and your favorites, you'd hit the little favorite bookmark thing there, and it'll show your favorite videos,
We don't have any yet. There's our favorite hashtags, though. Very cool.
Your favorite sounds and your favorite effects.
Let's talk more about this Me tab.
So in this Me tab, if you click back to it, from here you can edit your profile.
Okay.
So you tap edit your profile. Here you can change your name on TikTok. You can change your username. And this also changes your TikTok link, which you can share with people so they can access your account from the internet.
Okay.
You can edit your bio, so you can write a little bit about yourself. And you can link your Instagram and YouTube channels.
How about that?
To your
Very cool.
TikTok.
Very cool.
And you can also put a profile video.
Okay. Sweet.
Let's go back. So next to the Discover tab, you see that plus button. Anytime you want to upload a TikTok video, you can just go ahead and press that plus button, and voila.
I think it's really fun just to mess around with this. Really, you can't make a mistake.
Yeah.
And then even if you go through the whole process, you can choose to save your video as a draft instead of publishing it right away, which is, great.
Yeah, let's close out of this. So what's in this inbox tab?
So the inbox, we'll click on that. And here you can see notifications about your account when they appear in all your activities.
So if somebody liked our video or added us to their bookmarks, we might get a notification here.
Yes, you would.
And if you want to send a direct message to someone, or if someone sends a direct message to you, it'll show up. And if you tap that little paper airplane icon up there, your direct messages will show up here. And it looks like you actually start a conversation by tapping that plus button there.
And we could text our new friend that we added on.
Jax, I'm sure she'd love to hear from John Uploads.
I'm sure she'd respond to it too.
Should we say hi?
Sure.
So we'll click on her profile and we can type hi.
Let's not actually say hi, but yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, we could do that if we wanted to.
We could.
All right, let's go back. All right, so one last thing we want to talk about here is when you open the TikTok app for the first time, what if you just want to see videos about sports? You don't want to see girls doing backflips or yoga poses. You want to see basketball highlights.
Then you download the ESPN app.
Yeah. Let's go back to the home screen.
So to do that, you can just hit discover. You can search what hashtags you like, different people that you like, and once you follow them, you only see their type of content.
Very cool. So those are the basics of the TikTok app. Just kind of screw around in here, start following people you like, and just, it seems like it'd be very easy to start scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, and 30 minutes go by, and all of a sudden, you've watched 1,000 videos.
Yeah, one of the things that I saw is a lot of parents are on this app, and it's kind of funny because they're a little bit awkward, but at the same time, kids love to see parents being awkward.
That's good content.
You never know what's going to take off on this app.
Yeah, absolutely. I also think it might die the way that Vine did one day. But
will TikTok last? Eventually people get bored of it and then they'll come out with another one.
Yeah.
And it'll be 30 seconds or 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Keep doubling the amount of time.
So that is how to use the TikTok app for beginners. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you've enjoyed. Leave us a comment down below with any other questions. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more great videos about cell phones.